Welcome to 1118 Hawks Avenue uh, here in Orlando, Florida, just 5 minutes from Florida Mall in the Sky Lake area. Let's take a look at your neighbors first. Right now it's about 12 p.m. and it's nice and quiet. You can get an idea how quiet it is on your street. Okay, let's take a look inside. All right, first you got your carport, totally covered. Got some shelves and stuff over here. Outside, you got a utility room where you can keep your lawnmower, and all your other boxes and stuff, anything you don't want to keep inside the house. Here's your water heater and so on. Lots of space in there. Once you enter through the carport door, you're going to come into the kitchen. Kitchen is a nice bright. Here you got a full-size pantry. That's the new it's a new range in the home. That's actually gas powered. You got a nice bright thing over the kitchen, and you got lots of storage with your refrigerator here. Okay. When you come out of your kitchen, there's your front door. That's the way your visitors will come in, and the first thing they'll see is your very large living area over here, going out to the back patio. Spinning around, we're actually currently painting up this house and brushing it up. This is your dining area. Let's take a reverse view. Like I said, we're still cleaning up and painting. Tenant is now in the process of moving out, so you'll see some stuff lying around. And that's the view to your kitchen. Going this way, looking down the hall, you got a nice big hall closet over here. Swinging on to, you got terrazzo floor in here. This is your first bedroom. Lots of very large windows in here. Here's your second bedroom right next to it. Ceiling fans. Here's your third bedroom, and this is the master. It's a really nice size. Here's a reverse look on your master bedroom. The master closet is in here behind these mirrored doors. And then we go into the master bathroom. Still being painted and so on. This bathroom has been remodeled already. You can see this is your master bathroom in your bedroom. Really attractive. New vanity and so on. New fixtures, a lovely floor. Here's a picture of your backyard. The backyard is fenced in the back. You got some nice quiet neighbors, so all is good. And that's it for your 3-bedroom, 2-bath home here in the Sky Lake area, just 5 minutes from Florida Mall.